Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a hit I found both in OF, Appen, and CW, and this is would the user want to see this product ad. It is going to be the English version. Now we need to finish up 20 hits for us to pass the qualification. Let's jump into this. The query is Note 20 Ultra. We do have a guideline for this. You all can pull it up. All right, Note 20 Ultra, that's the query, and the ad is Mono Loco Classic Vintage Retro Streetwear Samsung Galaxy Note case. For me, that's a bad ad. Okay, image is bad, non-retail. I'm not sure what happened there, but I guess we answered incorrectly. Um, for this reason, only evaluate the query. Does the user want to make a purchase? It's a non-retail. It's a retail. Okay, not a problem. Fleet maintenance software program. Let's pull that up here. Let's see how that goes. Yes. It's a bad ad. Now, Meteorite. Let's see how that goes. It's bad here. Massive grams, rare, authentic, real meteorite. It's probably searching for information about meteorite. Can you put a fire pit on a deck? That's a retail intent, but bad. It does not match here. Not close enough. Moving on. How to stop your dog from tearing your furniture. That's retail intent. And for question number two, if you answer yes, is this a bad ad? Um, it is not a bad ad, and the image will be high because the background here is white. All right, heat harsh treatment, heat rash treatment. That is going to be broken. The image, so broken. Golf clubs. This is a retail intent, so it's a yes. Not bad for the advertisement. And the image, since it has a white background, it is I. Download wireless network adapter. That is going to be a yes, but then a bad. Add, this is not the software, rather the hardware. So click submit. Moving on is cosplay fox, or rather fox. Japanese anime red and white kimono fox cosplay. It is a yes. For this one, I'm gonna say it's not bad, and I'll go with high for the image. Yep, we got it right. Adult pacifier face mask. This is broken. The image does not display. Yep, we got it right. Now, conjugated linoleic acid or linoleic acid. It's a retail intent, of course. The ad is not bad at all. And for the image, it'll be high since the background again is white. That is in the guidelines if you check it out. And Flags of the World 2021, it's definitely a no, not a purchase intent. And Clear Face Masks Amazon, that is a retail intent. It is a not bad ad. And the image is going to be high. I doubt if it's high or either high or average. Let's see. Yep, it's high. Randall Knives. I'm searching for it. It is a yes, but the ad is going to be bad. Oh, I'm sorry. Moving on to the next, we got Zip Up Hoodie. That's retail intent, definitely. It's not bad at all. And the image will be high, as again, the background is white. Now, pictures. This is going to be a yes, but the ad is going to be bad. It's a canvas. It's a painting, not a photo or a picture. Coat rack. It's definitely purchase intent. It's not bad at all. And the image will be, or the image quality is going to be high. Strip lightning. I'm not sure if we are going to pass this. Yes, it is a purchase intent and it's a bad ad. Come on, submit now. It's taking a while. Guys, our Facebook group is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You can join the group to participate in our weekly challenge wherein we motivate everyone to earn as much as they can. And what else? For more video tutorials, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. So we got it right and we passed the qualification test. Again, the hit is, would the user want to see this product ad? For this one, it's not much today. I think we're looking at about 100 hits, but it's been there since for the past 24 hours. All right, I hope the video helped you out. Again, my name is Ghost, and thank you for watching. Bye for now, and see you on the next video. Bye.